Got a camera wrap. That was actually a cool shot right there. That was a cool shot, actually.
Because I was in it?
Yeah. Because I have like a system on this thing where it rolls the camera. You were right on the corner, which was really good. Yeah.
So they came at 3:30 in the day. They could have called me up and said, hey, we were lucky enough to find the unit, but we'll be back first thing in the morning. They didn't do that. They come back at 3:30 and both of them, him and his wife, got up on that roof and rebuilt that thing in 3 hours. In the heat of the fucking day, 102 degrees and 6:30 at night, they got it started. You know? So I made that one hell of a 4-star Yelp review, and I gave, and then I went on Yelp again. Alan Fire Company, 1-star pictures of the wheels. And then the next day, their corporate office left a message on Yelp and said, call this number about your customer service. Yes, yesterday morning. Story, and I go, look, I didn't badmouth you guys on Yelp. I'm disappointed. Nobody takes responsibility. I go, all I want $220 that I had to pay to get those 2 wheels. They won't pay us. She listened to all the info and said, I'll give this to our insurance division and they'll get customers.
Yeah, I'm taking a photo of that one.
I don't think any of the school Oh, that's
That side is like hugely good. They're right here. This side's the showy side.
Excuse me. I like Jim's shots. He has a good shot. My fault.
Oh, look at that embellish Toyota right here. Woo! Sweet.
Oh, look at that Toyota logo. It's made of carbon fiber. It's cool.
This thing for sure looks like an NFL thing now.
Yeah, no, look at the carbon fiber Toyota.
Yeah, look. You're gonna take this off photo right here. Hey, look, we got our new Instagram manager right here for Cars and Coffee.
Okay, put your hand down, close your eyes. Close your eyes? Close your eyes, and then the camera reopen. Come on. 2, 3. All right, good job.
I know, it's so great.
You wanna say Cars and Coffee to the camera?
Hi everyone. Join us Saturday morning, 7 to 9 a.m. here at Cars and Coffee at IHOP. See you soon.
Yep. I got like 3 people. I got Craig. I got another person that's taking photos and videos around here. And there we go.
Dude.
Yeah. It's gonna be an epic video.
What a privilege, man.
Woo.
And then when he's 16 and
plug in Cars and Coffee? Just advertise
Cars and
it.
Coffee, Corona, every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Hot rides, don't miss it.
You want to drive off?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or you can say it one more time and then drive off.
Cars and Coffee, Corona, every Saturday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Hot cars, don't miss it.
Woo! Yeah, that looks sick. It's like just to pull out from the camera. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. See you next Sunday, Saturday.
What do you guys post about
Well, usually I'll have access to the Facebook page for Cars and Coffee,
Okay.
so I usually put it on there.
Okay.
But it's usually like throughout the middle week because we have school too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it's like anytime throughout the week we'll post it.
Well, hopefully the car will be clean next time.
Okay.
Yeah.
See ya.
See ya. Woo.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Is it a race?
I'll just pan down to the dog afterwards.
Yep. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Cars and Coffee in Corona, California, every Saturday, 7 to 9. Come out and check out the classic cars and the collectors.
That's cute. Yeah.
That
Thanks.
was perfect timing. The dog went.
Have a great Saturday. Yeah. Usually we would post it on the Facebook page of Cars and Coffee because for some reason I don't have access to the Instagram one.